Sawasdee hello everyone, my name is Mackie and this is another episode of E30 Fix. In this episode, I have some missing hardware that I'm gonna install. I also have silicone radiator coolant hose with AC kit. I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I did to make the front end look a little bit better. I trimmed out a little bit of the grill inside here so that it will fit the headlight. I also grinded off the fenders because they were hitting the eyebrows. I installed the eyebrows incorrectly. I moved them closer to the center to get rid of the gaps here. I used some screws to forcefully mount the eyebrows. If there are better eyebrows out there, I will buy them. Otherwise, I will stick with these ones. This drill will make sure that I drill in the center of the bolt. There are 3 smaller clamps. 1, 2, and 3. So this piece is supposed to be right here, and I have to cut right here. But the clamps will scratch the brake booster, so I'm gonna relocate this thing over here. The last piece doesn't fit at all. And there you have it, guys. So far I have installed the non-AC and with AC silicone radiator coolant hose kits. There are only a few hoses from each kit that will fit really well. I will look for a better kit next time. I hope you guys enjoy it and find this helpful. Thank you and have a nice day. สวัสดีครับ